Missed your flight? Breathe. It feels awful, but you still have options. Here is exactly what happens behind the scenes and what to do in the next 15 minutes to save the trip and your wallet. What happens first? If you do not make it to the gate by boarding cutoff, the airline marks you as a no-show. On many tickets, that no-show can cancel your remaining segments on the same reservation, including the return, so act immediately. Non-refundable fares usually are not refunded, but in some regions, certain government taxes on unused tickets may be refundable if you ask. Basic economy and similar stripped-down fares are the least flexible. Change options can be limited, and fees can be higher. Your best immediate move: contact the airline you are ticketed with right away. Use the app chat. Call while you walk to the service desk, and get in any line you can. Have your confirmation code ready. Stay calm and courteous. Agents have discretion and are more likely to help when you are composed. Ask for these specific options. 1. Same-day confirmed change. If seats exist on a later flight the same day, you may be able to switch for a change fee plus any fare difference. Some airlines publish same-day change rules. Others will reissue the ticket under normal change terms. 2. Standby. You go on a list and are seated if a seat opens at departure. It is a gamble, but it can avoid a big fare jump. Ask which flights look promising and whether your priority is decent based on status or fare. 3. Flat tire consideration. Many agents know this courtesy. If you arrive soon after departure due to unforeseen issues like traffic or security delays, they may accommodate you on the next flight when available. It is not guaranteed and depends on the agent and the airline, but it never hurts to ask politely. Know the money part. You may pay a rebooking fee and any fare difference between your old ticket and the new one. Elite status can reduce or waive fees. If the missed flight was the airline's fault, a late inbound plane or schedule change, you should be rebooked at no charge. Make that distinction clear. Bags and Onward plans. If you checked a bag and missed the flight, the airline will not send your bag without you. It will be pulled and held. Speak to baggage service so it follows you once you are rebooked. If you are on separate tickets, missing the first leg does not obligate the second airline to help. You may need to buy a new ticket. If everything is on one ticket, missing the first segment can cancel the rest, so get the reservation protected quickly. Booked through an online travel agency or a corporate tool, call them first, as they control ticket changes. Award tickets follow the frequent flyer program's change and no-show rules. Ask about redeposit or change fees before you agree to anything. Paperwork matters more on international trips. A later reroute might transit countries with different visa or transit rules. Confirm you're allowed to take the new route before you accept it. Insurance and credit cards. Some policies cover missed connections for covered reasons, like severe weather or an accident. Keep receipts for transport and meals while you sort things out. Pro tips to avoid a repeat: check in online, turn on flight alerts, aim to arrive with a generous buffer, and avoid tight connections on separate tickets. Keep airline and airport apps on your phone so you can self-service quickly. Bottom line, missing a flight does not have to end your trip. Move fast, be specific about the help you need, and stay polite but persistent. In many cases, you'll be on the next reasonable option with a manageable cost.